Welcome back to MJ's Heavenly. Today we're going to make some baked wings. It was already seasoned, and these are some of the seasoning that we used. Chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, black pepper, and here we have some onion powder. Alright, so today I'll be making my baked wings with a twist. I'll be doing it in some peach sauce. Now I'm going to grease my baking pan. Don't have to use a whole lot of oil, and my hands are already clean. I will just spread the grease all over the pan. This will prevent the wings from sticking. Now I'm going to put my wings in my baking container. And I'm going to save this sauce to put on the chicken. It's getting a little bit dry in the oven. Okay, now the oven is heated at 350. I'm going to place my wings in. Now I'm going to wash my peach. I'm going to use some baking soda and some vinegar because I'm going to use some of the skin from the peach, so I want it to be very clean. Alright. I won't peel all the skin away, just some. Because I want it to have that little reddish color in it, in the sauce. Now I'm going to cut up my peach because I'm going to blend them. So I'm going to cut them. Some dices. So this is going to be like a kind of sweet and sour, but with a little bit of peach flavor in it. And normally people use like a pineapple for the sweet and sour, but I'm giving mine a peach flavor. Alright, now I'm going to put my chopped peach in the blender. Now I'm going to use like half of this butter. If it needs more, I'll pour. Okay. And I'm going to blend it as smooth as I can. So I'll put it on not smoothie. Great. So I'm going to pour a little bit more water because it's giving me a smoothie consistency. So I want to be more liquidy. So let me pour some more water. Okay. Okay, I'm going to strain the blended peach now. So thick and rich it is. Yes. That's the consistency that I was looking for. And this is what left of it. Now here I have two bell peppers, a red one and a green one. I'll be putting them also in the sauce. Now we're going to start making the sauce, the peach sauce. I'm going to put some butter in the pot. That much butter. Now that the butter is melted, I'm going to add my chopped bell pepper, some pimento seed, and a small piece of rosemary. Alright, now I'm going to pour my blended peach. All of it. I'm going to use half a teaspoon salt. And I'm going to add a tablespoon sugar. I'm going to stir this. I'm going to cover it and bring it to a boil. Okay, now that it's boiling, I'm going to add a piece of pepper. This pepper is not very hot, so it won't burn anybody. This is some vinegar, about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to pour it in. Now I'm going to add some cornstarch just to get my sauce thicker, just to thicken my sauce. Okay. I don't want to pour too much. Get it very thick. Just right. I'm going to pour a little bit of browning on it, just to give it a little bit more darker color. This is my browning. I'm just going to give my sauce a little bit of color, not much, because the browning is very strong about that. Okay, I'm going to turn it off now and have it sit and check on my wings in the oven. Okay, now I'm going to look on my baked chicken wings. Ready, okay? Alright, so this is my baked wings. Alright, this is the finished sauce. I'm going to add it to the chicken. Alright, now they're putting this back in the oven, and I'll leave it for about 20 minutes. I'll give it about 20 minutes back in the oven. This is our finished wings in our peach sauce.
Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching MJ's Heavenly. As water reflects the face, so one's life reflects the heart.